2014 Jayco Greyhawk 29 megavolts for sale in Duluth, Minnesota 55,810. Get ready to experience your next home away from home in this 2014 Jayco Greyhawk 29 megavolts. This Class CRV is 29 feet long and is powered by a strong 10-cylinder gas engine as well as automatic transmission. It features a charming floor plan that is equipped with 2 slide-outs and can comfortably accommodate up to 7 guests. There is an 8-foot slide-out in the main cabin that includes a sofa and kitchen dinette, both of which convert into beds. Additionally, there is a queen-sized loft area located above the truck cab with ladder access and TV that pivots. If you are looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends, then look no further, because this Jayco Greyhawk is perfect for you. This 2014 Jayco Greyhawk 29 megavolts comes fully loaded with all the bells and whistles needed to provide a luxurious yet convenient camping experience. Highlights of its advantages include solid wood cabinets, ThroughoutPull-Out kitchen, Peninsula extension 60/40 sink with CoversLarge refrigerator with FreezerFull size conventional microwave, 3-burner gas stove with OvenFull bath located between master suite and main cabin, full size ShowerSeparate toilet, AreaBathroom ceiling vent with Power FanDoors to create bathroom, SuiteFull walk-around queen bed with Slide-OutDouble mirror, door-built-in wardrobe and DrawersBedroom television, plenty of storage space, power ceiling vent with ThermostatOriginal Window Covers with sunshades and room darkening options, LED lighting throughout, CabinSofa and Dinette bench seat, BeltsStereo system with GPS, DVD/CD, and Bluetooth ConnectivitySurround, SoundOutside, EntertainmentTV antenna, 8-foot power awning with LED LightingTV Adapter with bracket, exterior grill with LP connection, roof access via an exterior ladder, internal ceiling vents with rain hoods, exterior ShowerSingle-System heating and cooling, auto leveling jacks, and so much more. This 2014 Jayco Greyhawk 27 megavolts has been very well maintained, which has enabled its exceptional condition. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. This convenient camper is competitively priced, so don't delay. Call today for more information on how you can hit the road in this phenomenal Jayco.